Crocodilo Bombardino wasn't born in water or air, he was born in war. No one knows how. A crocodile fused with a forgotten bomber plane. Some say it was an accident, others say it was a punishment, built for destruction, programmed with one phrase, Bombardino non perdona, or known as Bombardino does not forgive. He doesn't hunt, he doesn't think, he just bombs with spaghetti shells, with cheese gas, with opera at full volume. He appears in cities that no longer exist, places erased from maps, not by war, but by him. Everywhere he goes, he leaves the same mark. Carbonara craters, forks melted into sidewalks, and the smell of burnt garlic. Some believe he's looking for something. Others say he's stuck in a loop, an endless bombing mission that never got the abort code. But one thing is certain, when you hear that opera swell in the sky, it's already too late. He doesn't land, he doesn't rest, he just yells, Bombard! Dino! And the sky explodes.